Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your TikTok username without waiting 30 days. So first of all, let's open our TikTok app. Now let's go to profile, and then once you tap edit profile, you can see the option username. So for now, I can change my username as I have not changed it within 30 days. But if you change your username and try within a few days later, it will say you cannot change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. So only after 30 days of you changing your username, you'll be able to again change it. But in this video, I'll show you how you can overcome that time limit. So it's really quick and easy. So what you have to do is make TikTok believe that it has already been 30 days. So to do that, go to your settings. After that, scroll down and then find the option date and time. Now go to date and time. Now once you're in this page, untoggle the option automatic date and time. And now you can set the date manually. So let's tap on set date, and currently it is September 8th. So let's fast forward to October 15 and then tap done. Now it has been over a month, so let's go to TikTok, and now once you try changing your username, you'll be able to change your TikTok username without having to wait 30 days. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.